Welcome to the Hyper 25 watt, 45 watt, and 65 watt installation video. Hyper is an all-in-one solar light offering 5,000 to 13,000 lumen output. The new Hyper solar light introduces battery cooling technology designed for passive heat dissipation. Its innovative approach ensures proper airflow to the battery and key components, resulting in optimal performance that boosts system lifespan. Before installing the fixture, press down on the power button. Hyper can be mounted using its slip fitter and round or square trunnion. Please select the correct mounting accessory for your project. Using the slip fitter mounting accessory, secure slip fitter to the Hyper fixture by using the provided screws. Next, mount the fixture on top of the pole. Ensure that your pole top or tenon can work with Hyper's slip fitter dimensions. If the Hyper slip fitter is incompatible with your pole, please contact the pole manufacturer for proper tenon adapter. Hyper slip fitters can work with round or square poles by using the correct tenon adapter. To adjust the panel angle, loosen the center screw and tilt the fixture as required. And secure it in place. Hyper's flexible LED module can also be tilted and adjusted separately. Secure Hyper's round or square trunnion to your pole. Review the dimensions displayed on the screen for a proper fit. Now mount the fixture on the pole after tightening trunnion screws and bolts. You can adjust the panel angle by loosening the inner screws and adjusting fixture to desired position. After setting desired tilt angle, tighten the screws to secure in place. Hyper's LED module can also be tilted and adjusted separately. For wall mount installation, start by drilling 4 holes in the wall. Mount the fixture onto the wall mount accessory and secure in place. Next, adjust the solar panel as needed. You can adjust the LED module separately. Double check to make sure all screws and bolts are tightly secured. You have now completed a successful Hyper solar light installation.